Wow, won't you just look at that, guys? 3 years ago today, I shared with you my niece's wash day routine, and since then, her hair has retained so much length. And of course, with that comes changes. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you my niece's updated wash day routine. Hey NC fam, welcome back to my channel. So let's get straight into it. I like to saturate my niece's hair with water, warm water. This just helps to loosen up any product buildup and also help me with detangling her hair. So what you see me doing right now is applying some rinse out conditioner to her hair. I do this first in big chunky sections just to help it marinate while I'm working in smaller subsections detangling her hair. Okay, mummies, before I show you how I detangle my niece's hair, if you are struggling to create a regime for your little one, please struggle no more. I've got you as always. Click the link below this video to download your free guide on how to create an effective regime for your little one that actually works. Okay, so what you see me doing now is splitting her hair into smaller subsections. She has medium density hair, but I still like to section off her hair into smaller sections just to avoid any breakage and just so I'm able to detangle her hair more effectively. Mamas, if you've been paying attention to any of my wash day videos, you will notice that I always finger detangle first and then I use a tool, for example, a detangling brush to further detangle the hair. This really helps with minimizing breakage and of course length retention. Man, I miss my niece being this small. She was so cute, so cute. And I used to love doing her hair at that age. But as you can see, I still was working in sections. Even though she didn't have as much hair, I still took my time to work in sections, and I'm still doing that today. And that, I believe, is what's helped with minimizing breakage and of course length retention. So when I'm done detangling her hair, I just twist it up and then move to the neck section until I'm done and her hair is all twisted up. So now that I've completed detangling her hair, I'm just going to rinse out the rinse out conditioner from her hair with warm water again, and then I will proceed to shampoo her hair in the twisted sections. And this really just helps to avoid her hair tangling back up again. Now when I'm shampooing her hair, I make sure that I focus on the scalp first and then I work the shampoo down the full length of her hair and shampoo the rest of her hair. Why do I do that? Because she has products on the full lengths of her hair, so I need to make sure that that is also removed as well as the buildup from her scalp. And as you can see here again, when she was much younger, me shampooing her hair, same thing when I shampoo any of my children's hair, even my hair, I always use the pads of my fingers and not my nails, just to avoid any kind of pain or damage to their scalp. Their scalp is very delicate. Mamas, don't forget to download your free guide. Remember, if you're struggling with your little one's regime, you don't know how to create a regime, you don't know where to start, how to start, save yourself the trouble and click the link below this video to download your free guide, and that will help you to create an effective regime for your little one. So once I have finished shampooing and rinsing out the shampoo from my niece's hair, the next stage is to deep condition. So you see me squeezing out the excess water first and then applying the deep conditioner to her damp hair. Now you may notice that I'm actually deep conditioning my niece's hair out of the twist, and I'm doing this because for her hair, deep condition in the twist doesn't work for her. Her hair takes the deep conditioner better when I've taken her hair out, so that's what I'm doing right now. So once I'm done applying a deep conditioner to her hair, what I do is literally just pour a plastic bag over her head and then a microfiber towel on top of that, just to help to trap in her body heat. It's actually very warm in my bathroom, so that helps to trap in that heat as well, and of course help the deep conditioner to stick to her hair and perform its magic. So now it's been 15 minutes. I take off the microfiber towel, the plastic bag, and then I rinse off the deep conditioner from her hair. If you enjoyed this video, you're definitely going to enjoy my daughter's wash day routine, and you'll find that in the bottom left hand corner of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share if anyone you feel may benefit from watching. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.